Why do you all look like you just finished a musical number?
When did that happen? We should sing and dance about it!
What's up, you guys? It's sorry. Hey everyone, what's up? This is Jesse here, and welcome to another installment of Let's Watch Sonic Boom, the season 2, episode 36. Alright, so episode 36. Oh my god. How many more episodes do you go until we finish season 2? Probably the same as last time. I got to 52 or something like that, but I you know what? I'm loving this series so much. I just don't want this to end. Yeah, I just don't want this to end. So yeah, anyway, let's get on with the next episode, shall we? The Haunted Lair. Ooh, something has to do with Eggman's lair. I'm guessing. Yeah, something that has to do with Eggman's lair. Yeah, I'm guessing. You know, if it's definitely another Eggman episode, how many we've been having a lot of Eggman episodes lately. I mean, villain's gotta shine in one of these days. Yeah, Mike has been doing Sonic the Hedgehog for a long time, and yeah, he's been shining in every moment. I think the last episode was definitely one of my favorites. Yeah, so yeah, definitely one of my favorites, and everyone's how everyone felt during like high school and college and stuff like that. So let's get on with the next episode, shall we?
Patience, folks. I assure you, everyone will get the
Barker.
opportunity to see the amazing haunted forest and pay me $27.50.
$27.50.
What?
Oh my gosh. Yeah. Cutsies. So the haunted forest. Okay. Oh. Only a few people to go through at a time.
This place isn't so scary.
What is it?
A proposal for government-mandated healthcare.
If it's controlled by Trump, yeah, run for your lives. Yeah, guys, come on, stick with Obamacare. They help. Stick with Obamacare, will you? I'm just saying.
What a pretty cat. Whatever it is she's supposed to be. Don't be
Just
scared
a badger.
Rubber backs, glowing eyes, cardboard moon.
Well. What? What's a fang? It's on string. Yeah. Okay, we can laugh at that then.
That ghost is haunting me. I need to find a way to exercise him.
Why don't you let him borrow your gym membership? Clearly you never use it.
yeah, don't too big, don't.
Check it out. Eggman's still freaked out from last night. What do you say we mess with him?
It seems wrong to prey on Eggman's emotions when he's in such a fragile state.
Yeah.
Did I say wrong? I meant hilarious.
Oh, you guys.
What is it?
Oh, the book's off the shelf, yep. Oh, come on. Knock it off, you guys.
This is just sad.
Yeah.
Now you've got to make me feel guilty.
Stop your blubbering, egghead. It was just me. Ghosts aren't real.
Yes, they are.
Oh.
How else do you explain this blurry photograph?
Bad photography? Come with me. I'll prove there's no such thing as ghosts.
Yeah.
I usually reserve the daytime walkthrough for preschoolers, but since you insisted, as you can see, it's all just cheap special effects and atmosphere music.
See?
Turn tape over for more fun-filled sounds of horror.
When you step here, it triggers the ghost drop.
Yep, see? Just squeal like a girl. See? On the string. On the rope.
What did I tell ya? No such thing as ghosts.
No, I've got nothing to fear. Except maybe that numbness in my left arm. No, I'm sure it's nothing.
That could be a heart attack, Eggman. I'm just saying. I don't know. I better check out the system.
Who's there?
Whoa.
No, ghosts aren't real. This is all a trick, just like Barker showed me.
And no, it's not.
That's no good.
I've heard of this before. Some good-looking entrepreneur type opens a humble haunted attraction on the smallest of Gogoba burial grounds, only to anger the spirit world and send a cavalcade of ghouls.
Straight into my lair. So this is all your fault.
Now, let's not point none fingers. I'm sure everything's
None
gonna be
fingers.
just fine.
Easy for you to say. You don't have to live in a haunted lair.
I'm
He's
a
still wearing his
reasonable
PJs. I
fellow.
just
I'm
forgot
not
to
gonna
mention.
just leave you in your
Forgot to
time
say.
of need. How about I take that lair off your hands, free you of the burden?
Oh,
of
he's
ownership?
behind the ghost
And what
attack.
guarantee do I get that the ghosts won't follow me?
Ooh, you're a shrewd businessman.
Oh,
I'll just have to
he's
stipulate that the
conning
sale
him. He's
includes any and all items inside the lair. After all, ghosts are powerless against red tape.
Yep.
The old Eggman negotiating skills. Still got it.
Still got it. Sonic napping. Oh.
It's 2:30 in the afternoon. People are trying to sleep.
Dude, 2:30? You will be napping. Eggman. Hey,
Since
neighbor.
my lair is full of 100% certified evil spirits, I had to sell the place to Barker. Looks like we're gonna be beach buddies.
Season 1, episode 2, all over again. I'm just saying. Yes, beach buddies.
We're going to get to the bottom of what's going on here.
Welcome, thrill seekers, to the most fear-inducing attraction yet, the Deadly Lair.
You got
The deadly
mad.
lair.
Go into the spirit world again.
Don't be daft, egghead. Barker conned you. He was just looking for a bigger, better venue for his attraction. I'll show you.
That'll be $50.
50 is.
Each.
Oh. No, it was 27. What? He didn't bring his wallet. Ah, fine. You owe me 50. Whoa.
Take Sonic, not me.
Take Sonic, not me. Oh, now the lights.
It's no ghost. It's nothing but smoke and mirrors.
What makes you so sure?
Well, for starters, the smoke and the mirrors.
Yeah.
And then there's the digital projection of the ghost.
Oh. Oh, I was wondering about that. Yeah. Shut up, puppets.
You conned me. Give me back my lair.
Sorry, Eggman. A deal's a deal.
Oh yeah? Well, let's see what my robots have to say about that.
Don't you mean my robots? The sale included any and all items inside the lair. Remember?
Oh, that's right.
No, you can't do this to me. I created you. He's a crook. There aren't any real ghosts in there. It's a sham.
Whoa! That's a fly ball. Oh, wait, that's not right.
Mr. Barker, is that hysterical lunatic ranting the truth?
No, of course not. This lair really is haunted. What would I have to gain from lying to you good people?
Money? Yeah, we're out of here.
Come back! There are more reprehensible attractions out there! At least they're not hurting any whales!
It's not hurting anywhere else.
Everyone saw me getting tossed out of my own lair. They don't respect or fear me anymore. Time to
Snap.
call in the big guns.
Okay, my turn.
Ouch.
Ooh, your impression has gotten so much better.
Hey, Doc, you're in my head.
Yeah, I got plenty of room in here, Joe. Listen, I need you two dimwits to help me retake the lair.
And Barker's laying evasion in
So
them.
fast, Barker.
Oh, there's Amy.
It's over, Sonic. The denouement. The final crescendo. Your meddling cost me my business. Now, prepare to make acquaintance with your demise, for it is imminent.
For all Eggman's faults, at least I understood what he was saying.
Wow.
Action!
Automaton's action? Okay. Whoa, did he just... He missed! What? Whoa! 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 Huh, so, where's Amy, by the way? Whoa.
Why are we having so much trouble here? We fight these Jabberbots all the time. Barker's running plays we've never seen before. This guy's got a real strategy.
Strategy or
Yeah.
not, I'm gonna get to smashing.
Oh! What the heck hit him? Whoa! Oh, the praying mantis thing.
Okay, let's try that again.
Yep.
We're in the HQ room.
Mission
boss.
impossible.
Now head to the console.
Sir, we need to keep our volume at a sensible level.
What? I can't hear you. You'll have to be louder.
Ah, Eggman! Oh. Okay, just go, keep on, go.
First things first. I need you to delete my internet search history. But don't look at it.
Delete.
Install the virus.
Oh, gross. Don't look for my internet server. Delete my internet server, but don't look at it! Yeah, okay. So, where the hell is Amy?
Like all these old robots needed was a new business plan. And as CEO of Eggman Industries, really ought to change that name. I assure you, you'll all be torn to shreds with the utmost efficiency.
That's a relief.
He's going to destroy you guys. Oh! The virus! Of course! Oh boy. Mutiny.
Yep, heard of this before. Looks like your robots have contracted the anti-allegiance virus. They're not gonna stop until they've destroyed their master. Hey, that's you, isn't it?
Oh.
You gotta do something.
Tell you what, since I'm a reasonable fellow, I'm not gonna leave you in your time of need. How about I take that Lair off your hands? Once I'm their master, you'll be off the hook.
Oh! Whoa!
Take
Yep.
it! It's yours!
Thank you. Yeah, I'm out of here. Oh. So he's gonna switch out the virus that he's the master now? Ah, there we go.
Eggman's back in business, baby. You ready for a battle, hedgehog?
Aren't I always?
Oh, yeah. Oh! Oh! That's it? Oh, that's it. Okay. That was actually that was a pretty good episode. That was it. I wasn't expecting more, but yeah, it was still good. Yeah, it's pretty good. Eggman actually the Lair was haunted by ghosts, which is being set up by Barker. So yeah, it's good to see Barker again. I mean, being a bit of a main villain in this episode, but lately we've been having Eggman episodes lately. Just, yeah, I wonder what's gonna happen, it's a bit of a lot of Eggman episodes. I wonder who's gonna be the main character for the next one. I'll see for myself, okay? So, yeah, anyway, yeah, so post a comment down below of what you guys think of this episode. Feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel or my Daily Motion account. You guys can look me up on Twitter and Facebook. That's where I am most of the time. Also, you can find me on DeviantArt and Fanfiction. The links are down below in the description. So yeah, anyway, this is Jesse from Jesse Order Productions, and I am signing off. You guys take care of yourselves, okay? Bye.